How to unpin my AI on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can unpin my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unpin my AI on Snapchat, go ahead and then make sure to launch a Snapchat app, and then here you can simply come to the DMs page, and then you'll find the my AI option at the very top of your screen. And what if you want to remove this? Well, if you want to remove or unpin my AI, just make sure to long press on it, and here you'll find chat settings. You can tap the chat settings option over here, and here you'll find the option called clear your chat feed. And you might be telling me, where is the option? Well, unfortunately this option is only going to get visible if you have Snapchat Plus. Yes, Snapchat just changed the business model by restricting some of the features. If you want to remove my AI, you have to remove Snapchat Plus and get Snapchat Plus. So tap the Bitmoji avatar, tap on Snapchat Plus, and then you'll be able to see a list of features where you can just tap the next option, and then you'll be able to get them. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually unpin my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.